Yeah, you can ask your doubt.
How to convert list to into image?
Okay, list to image. Okay, okay. So you import first numpy as np, okay, and import cb2 as cb, okay. So you need to import
Yes,
numpy
yes.
and then cb2. Now list, so you write any list, okay. So for that I am going to write suppose 10 to 100, and then you can take 100 to 200, 200, you can take 100, 100 to 50, 50, and then you can take 50 to 200. This is one list, because if you want to write as an image, then you have to take 3D list, right? So this list, now what to do, try to convert this list into array. So just I am writing array1 equals np dot array, and then in that you pass this list comma np dot u int 8. So this is the d type. np
Why we
dot
write np.u in it? We
he,
simply convert list into array.
32 you want, you can put here 32,
So
okay.
it is mandatory to give np.in.
Yeah, we'll check once again, okay. So array1 np dot array. So first what we are going to do, we are converting list into array, okay. We are converting list into array. If you want to check here, you can check array1, run it. So this list is converted into 3D array, where 1 2 3 4 rows are there and 2 column are there. If you want to check shape, you can put shape here 1 for 2. It means 4 rows, 2 column and 1 depth. 4 rows, 2 column and depth 1. But our work is to show it on the image, okay. So first take a screen. Screen equals to np dot tell zeros and say 5.2, 5.2 and 3. np dot zeros tell me the d type. D type equals np dot u int 8. So this is the screen, okay. Screen is there. Now cb dot fill poly, fill poly, and shift tab, you can see the function. So first is image. Image means you are going where you want to draw it, on the screen of 5.2 5.2 with 3 channel. And then you can see pts. Pts is pointer. Array can be treated as a pointer. You can pass array name, and then color, you can write this color cb dot fill poly, fill poly, okay. And then cb dot am show, and then this is open cv function. Just I am writing open cv, and here you can write your screen, and then cb dot wait key. Now shift enter. Here you can see 255 I have given, and it's not responding. Okay, let me close this. What is cv2 wait key? Okay, so wait key, it looks like that. Shift enter. Now you can see the output. This is the polygon. Okay, by this list polygon is coming like that. Okay, if you want to plot on Jupyter notebook, then what you should do? You import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and then what you can do, plt dot show plt dot imshow and screen, and then say plt dot show. So here for OpenCV and matplotlib, RGB convention is different. So if you can see in OpenCV color is blue, then in matplotlib it will come red. For example, I am going to run this. Here you see this red is coming due to matplotlib, but blue is coming in OpenCV. So this is the program, how to convert list to image. I mean, points are given in form of 3D list, and then that list we have converted into array, and on this screen we have plotted this.